Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought new updates regarding PhD admission in IIT Bhilai. It is in Chhattisgarh. So they have given notification for admission to PhD program for 22-23 winter semester at IIT Bhilai. Here they are offering PhD in chemistry, computer science and engineering, data science and artificial intelligence, electrical engineering, electric vehicle technology, liberal arts, mathematics, mechanical, mechatronics and physics. Regarding eligibility criteria, you must have anyone like master degree with 55% for SC/ST and 60% for general OBC and AWS candidate, bachelor degree in engineering or technology with 60% or equivalent, 55% for SC/ST, MSc arts social science or equivalent degree with first class, 60% marks or equivalent, 55% marks for SC/ST. Along with that, you also have to fulfill any one of these criteria. You may be if you have valid GATE score or CSIR UGC NET score, then you can apply, or you have GRF fellowship of CSIR UGC NVHM DBT ICAR ICMR ICPR or DAE or DST Inspire fellowship, then also you can apply. Or if you have 2 years of professional experience gained while acquiring master degree in engineering or technology, or experience acquired after obtaining the qualifying degree and completed before the starting of semester in which admission is sought, may be considered as professional experience, or BTech from IIT with CGPA 8 or above. Discipline specific criteria they have given: chemistry, CSIR UGC NET or GRF or LS in chemical science if applicable, GATE in CY if applicable, computer science and engineering GATE score in CS, ECEE, MA or PH, data science and artificial intelligence GATE score in any engineering discipline, MA or ST if applicable, electrical engineering GATE score in EE, EC, IN, CS, MA, math, physics or XE if applicable. XE means what is the code they have mentioned or not? No, they have not mentioned. XE, I think it's design like, or for electrical GATE score in EE, EC, IN, CS, MA, physics or XE applicable. So for individual discipline they have individual specific criteria also. Admission category: regular, sponsored external full time, sponsored external part time, sponsored non external full time, sponsored non external part time. Regular, in that you will get institute fellowship as per norms defined by Ministry of Education, Government of India, and you have to work full time by residing in the campus. A sponsored external full time means any industry or academic establishment, research laboratory having R&D facility. If anyone is working in this type of organization, then they can apply under this category. A sponsored external full time student needs to be involved in full time research at organization employing the student. Such a student is expected to carry out all or major parts of research work in the organization employing the students. Third one, sponsored external part time means if you have if you are working in any industry, academic establishment, research laboratory having R&D facility, then you can apply for in this category, and in this you have to work as a part time, may be involved in his or her regular job assignment along with research for PhD. Likewise, two more: sponsored non-external full-time, non-external part-time. Under sponsored category, you will not get any institute fellowship. Applicant opting for PMRF under direct entry mode or Visvesvaraya PhD scheme, if selected, program category will be changed to a sponsored non-external full-time, category D. If not selected, latter for PMRF or visa category of the applicant shall be considered same as that of program. Terms and condition for PMRF you can check. These are the guidelines. This is the link. On this link, apply now. You have to click and you will be redirected to application page. These things you have to keep with you: photograph, academic certificate, mark sheet of fall semester, then consolidated mark sheet, caste certificate, experience certificate, like things you have to keep with you during online application. When you will be called for written test and interview, you must bring photo ID card, printed copy of application submitted online, thesis, dissertation, report or publication, or original certificate and mark sheet. This is the research areas in which anyone you have to select for during application. You select one, and if you get admission in any one research area, then you will be allowed to work in that category on that area. Start date, it already started from 5th of October, last date 31st. Entrance test, it will be conducted on 26th November, 1st of December, 3rd of December, 26th of November, 3rd of December, 2 of December, 3rd of December for different branches. Application process, you can take a screenshot. You have to click here, apply online. Application fee is 100 rupees. You will be redirected to this page. Then you have to click on apply now. Apply now. This is the form you have to fill, and then submit by paying required fees. So that's all about today's updates. Share it with your friends. Subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you. Have a nice day.